You guys ready for some coffee? Come on, let's go and have some. Where's Felix? Pusscat! Come on. Felix! I did see him. Can't see him now though. Come on, dogsters. And today we have unicorn coffee, or sprinkle coffee. There you go. Just go and find coffee with us. Hey, Felix. Are you going to come and have coffee with us? Come on. Come on. Let's go and have coffee. Okay, we're all here now. We'll have some coffee. Yeah. Okay, I've got some cheese because you guys like cheese. There you go, Bella, a bit for you. Do you want a bit, Bodie? There we go. A bit for Felix. Felix loves cheese. Is that good? Yeah, there you go. A bit for Beau. There you go, Beau. A bit for Bella. Want some more, Felix? There you go, Felix. There's some more. There you go, Beau. A bit for Beau. A bit for Bella. Oh, there you go, Bella. There you go, Felix. A bit for Felix. Okay, another bit for you, Felix. There you go, Beau. And a bit for Bella. And it's all gone, doggies. And Felix, all gone. Well, it's all gone. It's all gone. It's all gone, Puss. I think Felix ate all his, Bella. It's all gone.